Welcome back to another S&P 500 analysis video. Today I want to talk about where I think the markets are heading within the next couple of weeks and why I still believe the SP500 is going to the 4300s. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's switch over to the weekly charts. More specifically, let's make this a 2-year weekly chart. Okay, so if you guys watched my prior videos, I had my initial Fibonacci retracement drawn out from this low of 3502. To this high at the time right here. Then we got this pullback and we tested a good 3 weeks of this 50% retracement, making it a solid validated level of support before ultimately going on this bull rally. So with this 50% retracement intact, I anticipate for this Fibonacci to complete its move by heading towards this 23.6 retracement of 43.44. And after this pullback we've had for the last 3 weeks, I believe we're ready for another bull rally. And I think that because if I go over to the next low after our initial one right here, I'll draw out another Fibonacci from this low to our new high. And you can see this week we are now testing that 50% retracement again. We're still above both this significant long-term trend lines. And so this is every reason for me to be bullish. But even more importantly, let me draw out an even larger Fibonacci, which may ultimately be our next level of resistance in which the market can fall over. Again, this is a 2-year weekly chart, so I draw from this high of 4808.25 to this low of 3502, and you can see how well this 61.8 retracement almost coincides with both of these 23.6% price targets. So I believe we're going to head into this area within the next coming weeks and finally have our new level of resistance. But that does it for the S&P 500. Let's switch over to the nasdaq. And I'll keep this simple. So this is our long-term Fibonacci from the 2-year high to low. And if I draw out another fib from this low here to this high, you can see we're currently bouncing off that 38.2 retracement support zone. Ultimately, it could make its way lower, but the NQ and ES move in tandem for the most part, and I believe the ES is ready to run. And again, the Fibonacci's 23.6 price target almost coincides with this long-term bearish 50% retracement, which could be our next level of resistance. So anyways, guys, I hope you like this analysis. Please leave some comments down below if you have any questions. Consider subscribing to this channel for more content like this in the future. But other than that, have a great day, guys, and good luck in the markets.